Ban penbut ya kijing ujo na kipat ba badu MLA ka Karkata halor ke jing penhir ya ka adong gre RMSA High Secondary School ka bam ya hap satya bad ka bas new menteri rang ba ka jela u Conrad ke sang ma ulet ban juriap ya ka te ke school ulap tha ya deputy commissioner ka North Garo Hills ba on thau mardol ya ka jing toket bad ban sim kam persya ya ki Contractor ulap penmi ya ka jing Maham ka bajur ya ki weru ki Contractor ki ba Pyntreikam ya ki Projek Sorkar da ka baong ba ka Sorkar kanumla bansha yakum kine kikam kibapo bat basnew
Baru kita sebab absen flooring issue deh. Udah kali flooring was an issue. So we are here in the Adopre RMSA Higher Secondary building, the new building that was constructed, and based on some complaints which are received from the public directly and also from the local MLA, that there was some issue with the quality of the work, and therefore I have come myself to see the work out here. And of course, we are not qualified engineers. So I have asked the Deputy Commissioner to immediately conduct a detailed inquiry into the work that has happened out here and to submit a report to me at the earliest. And based on that report, if there are any shortcomings and if there's any compromise on quality, then action will be taken accordingly. At the same time, I would like to also take this opportunity to tell all the contractors who are working with the government that we should be very clear that there should never be any compromise on quality, and as a government we'll be firm and we'll take action wherever necessary if there is any compromise on the quality of the work that is meant for especially places like these, like schools and hospitals and all the infrastructures that the government builds. Thank you very much.